From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Today featuring a fatty. There's a collaboration going on that I know very little about. Corey, over at Cooking with Corey, my neighbor over here, texted me here about 2 or 3 weeks ago and said, "Are you in?" I said, "Fatty? I'm in." Even though it's been a long time since I made a fatty, I decided that, yeah, I'm gonna do kind of a variation on something we've done before. You may have seen it. Here's a clip. We tried this once. It was a dismal failure. He was using a prepackaged turkey breast, and the thing just kind of melted and fell apart on me. I mean, good God, man, what is that? Train wreck. We're doing that again today, but instead of and in lieu of a turkey breast, I'm using a pork loin. It's a center cut pork loin. It's only about yay big, and it's been split down the middle, which I did not know until just a little while ago when I was in the Wayback Machine preparing this, which is where we're going right now to show you how we prepared this. Stick around. Shut up, traffic. We hear you. It's our official fire starters back at it. Woo! And still as proficient as ever in lighting. I want to say lighter balls, but these aren't lighter balls. These are nests. What are they called?
Tumbleweeds?
Tumbleweeds. Why did I say nests? Anyway, we'll be back. Hey, show me your fatty. Actually, that's hashtag show me your fatty. Very carefully, get this on. Just like that. And we're just going to go into the pork loin. If we can find it. It's got to be over here somewhere. There. Right there. Alright, we're going to cook the pork loin till we reach an internal temperature of about 145 and not much higher. You don't want to overcook pork. So, when we reach 145, we'll see you then. Alright, about an hour and 15, maybe 20 minutes has passed. I haven't really been checking the time. Remember, we're going for an internal temperature on the pork loin, which is in the middle of all this madness, of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You want it right there. You don't want to go over 145. You really don't want to go under 140, 135, something like that. You don't want to eat raw pork, but it'll be done pretty soon. I'll be probing it in 3 or 4 different places when I feel the time is right. What's that, you ask? What's this? Just a signature Smoky Goodness white Milo mocha. Best there is. I've got videos on one of my other channels on how to make these bad rabbits good. Alright, we'll see you in a few. My spider senses are tingling. I think this is probably done. Let's check it. So, whoa, look at that. And just to be on the safe side, I happen to have my trusty purple thermo pop. We're going to check it in a few other places. Just want to make sure we hit this perfectly. 147, excuse me. All right, hey. This is it, it's done. I'm in the 145 to 150 region. We don't want to wait any longer. Probe out. So here we go. There's a heavy, heavy, heavy fatty. Guess if it's going to be fat, it's got to be heavy, right? Let's get it inside. How does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? Let's find out. Try to get a little bit of everything on here. This is way better than the turkey version of that, especially the first one we did. Train wreck!
Wow, this is the coolest